Ever heard of Neon, the company leading the charge in advanced nuclear energy? You know, the kind that could potentially solve our global energy crisis? But have you ever wondered who's at the helm of this groundbreaking endeavor? Who's the visionary driving this ambitious mission? Neon is making waves, developing cutting-edge reactors that promise to be safer, cleaner, and more efficient than traditional nuclear power. They're not just talking about the future, they're building it. But behind every successful company, there's a driving force, a leader with a unique vision. So, who is the mastermind behind Neon, the CEO steering this ship towards a brighter, more sustainable energy future? Meet Alex Skarlatos, the CEO of Neon. Now, this isn't your average CEO story. Skarlatos isn't a seasoned nuclear engineer, at least not traditionally. His background is, well, let's just say it's a bit unconventional. Before diving into the world of nuclear energy, Skarlatos made headlines for his heroic actions during the 2015 The Train attack. His bravery and quick thinking undoubtedly shaped his character, instilling in him a strong sense of duty and a desire to make a positive impact on the world. But how does a war hero transition to leading a nuclear energy company? Skarlatos recognized the urgent need for clean energy solutions and saw an opportunity to contribute his leadership and innovative thinking to this critical sector. Under his leadership, Neon is pushing the boundaries of nuclear technology, developing advanced reactor designs that promise to be safer, more efficient, and more affordable. Skarlatos' vision for Neon extends beyond just building reactors. He emphasizes the importance of safety, reliability, and public acceptance. He's actively involved in engaging with communities, addressing concerns, and building trust in advanced nuclear energy. He believes that open communication and transparency are crucial for the successful deployment of this technology. Skarlatos' leadership style is characterized by a blend of decisiveness and humility. He's not afraid to take calculated risks and challenge the status quo. At the same time, he actively listens to his team, values their input, and fosters a collaborative environment. His impact on Neon has been significant. Under his leadership, the company has attracted top talent from diverse backgrounds, secured substantial funding, and made significant progress in developing its reactor technology. Neon is now poised to play a key role in shaping the future of nuclear energy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Let's continue exploring the innovative minds driving the energy revolution.